I was just adding some blinker fluids to my car the other day when I found this weird pink connection port. I had no idea what it is, so I googled it and found this thing that you can supposedly plug in it, then connect your phone to the radio and make your car sound like anything you want. Here's how it works. You plug this into your OBD port under your steering wheel, download the Rummer app and connect your phone to the aux port on your radio. Click connect and now the app can see the speed of your engine and it plays the sound of your choice through the speakers in real time.